Chatura, in your opinion, what would you say the biggest shift in advertising right now?
So, Anmini, earlier when it was traditional advertising, we were dependent on getting advertising done through TV, radio, newspaper, and all of that. And then the primary factor at that point was interruption. You are watching a program, but it gets interrupted in the middle, and there is an advertisement, right? But see, you really wouldn't mind that because there was no choice. You were watching that, and then maybe there were a couple of other channels that you can switch on to. But when the whole transformation happened from traditional marketing to digital marketing, so still traditional marketing is very strong. I'm not saying that it's not, but I'm saying when we adapt into digital marketing, the primary factor is that you start positioning awareness, right? Because you start talking about your product, your service, and putting out posts, content. So that started off in a very mild way, where corporates and brands were advertising their products and services, and it has now evolved to such a great extent. Now you're literally fighting for attention. So awareness is no longer good enough. Attention is what you need. And right now, the brand, because there's so much of content out there, there's such a lot of brands out there, such a lot of content out there, and literally everybody is deciding whether they are going to browse, skip, or watch a content or read a content within just 1 to 2 seconds, or maybe maximum 2 to 3 seconds, right? So you have got to grab your audience's attention in that time span if you are to deliver your message, and if you are to create that attention and awareness towards your product or brand. So that is the biggest transformational shift right now, because it's so cluttered out there. Right now the game is not awareness, it's attention.